Aasalamualaikum guys. In this video, we are introducing ourselves into a math that is Python library that is Matplotlib, one of the famous library that is used for data visualization tools. Data visualization is one of the techniques to visualize data so it can be interpreted easily the data. So it is mandatory to learn a library which is mandatory for future, that is Matplotlib. In this video we are talking about Matplotlib in depth. So before much further ado, I want you guys to subscribe this channel who was watching this, and the person who is new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Don't be forgotten to press that bell icon. And let's move on to our introductory part to Matplotlib. The Matplotlib, as we know earlier, that is Matplotlib is most popular data visualization library in Python. It allows you to create 3D chart, 2D chart in few lines of code. As I told you earlier, everything is now made up of atoms. We already know that, but now everything is made up of data. The data which you have to visualize in order to survive this era, which is already known as the data era. In order to survive this data era, you need visualization tools like Matplotlib, which are providing you a great future features, most probably in few lines of code. And that lines of code also I'm going to teach that also, but in my future videos. This is only the introductory part to Matplotlib. Learn this is the best library. So because of that, the few lines of code, it comes as a popular data visualization library in Python itself. It allows you to create as charts few lines of codes. So let's see what's the types of charts or the types of visualization in Matplotlib. There are many types of visualization under Matplotlib. Some of them are listed below. So they are maybe a line plot, scatter plot, histogram, box plot, bar chart, and pie chart. It is the familiar one of the familiar chart is we know that is pie chart, bar chart, and our line chart. But the three is unfamiliar to us. That also I'm going to teach you in my future videos, that is scatter plot, histogram, and box plot. So this is only the introductory part. Don't forget to share this video and also subscribe this channel at any cost. Thank you guys for being with me. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you very much.